All right, guys, welcome back. You probably saw my other videos about painting these cabinets. I'm about to hang them. But before I do that, you can see that whoever hung these cabinets obviously did a very poor job of it. So let me flip the camera around. So we did have a gap here. And what I did is I put a nice thick bead of caulk and then patted it down or pushed it in and make it more seamless. And then I'm going to paint over that when it dries. And then also again here I'm going to do that. And then here I'm going to try to do it. It's a pretty big opening. I might have to get some type of wedge to fill it in. And then you can see over here, again, the cabinets are slightly misaligned. I'm going to go ahead and caulk this in. So the caulk, I already did it once and it worked pretty good. So let's give it a shot. So I was looking at different caulks and I decided to go with the standard DAP. Actually, this is a little bit higher than standard. It's for doors, windows, baseboards. It's kind of more comprehensive. It's a little bit more expensive. But I'm just going to go ahead and find an edge there and squeeze and fill. So in this case, I'm going to push it in just using my thumb, but I'm applying pressure to the back of my thumb, not to the front, because I want it to kind of get snow plowed in, I guess you'd say. There we go. And I'm just going to clean up that edge. So that's what it's going to look like. And once you paint over it, it's going to look just like these. And plus you're going to also have the doors covering it, so you're not really going to see it that much. And this caulk was a little more flexible than just your standard, I don't want to say cheap caulk, but so it should be able to flex a little bit. And if it ever does show a crack again, you can just re-caulk. It's not that big of a deal.